What's up, everybody? So another week has gone by and I am out here at my investment property checking out the progress. So I know a lot of progress has been made and now it's actually getting noticeable, so you can actually see what's been done, and I'm excited to show y'all. I'm sure there's still a bunch of stuff all over the place, so just look past that, but I really want y'all to see some of the things that I picked out, like the door color and the handles of the doors and everything like that. They were all recommendations for y'all, from y'all, so I appreciate that. Go ahead, click that like button and subscribe button if you haven't done so yet. Come along with me.
Dude, Brady just told me about the color, man. Dang.
What?
That's great.
You
We
don't
picked
like
it.
it?
No, I loved it.
Yeah. I love it too. It looks amazing.
Go ahead, man. Lights are in too.
Oh shit. I don't know if I'm ready for all this. I feel like I'm on HGTV. Oh. Hey man. Hi. Oh, that's great. Yeah.
So I'm coming back, touching up wherever it needs to, needs painting on.
Yeah. What's this?
It did. Yeah, that's crazy, right? Let's go outside there.
It's the one window we do that. Renovation issues?
No. No.
Oh, it's green, dude.
It's green, yeah. I thought the white was gonna make it blend in too much, and I mean.
Will this get painted gray too at the end?
Yeah.
So, what do you think I need to do out here?
Just mulch.
Mulch?
Yeah, just mulch.
Do I need more stones to put along here?
We can get rid of those, or just add a little border, like those metal ones. It's called edging, I think. Metal edging, and then just use that. Leave this here so you don't have to demolish it and do all that.
Nobody has mailboxes on the street, right? Oh, yeah. I was looking at mailboxes trying to see, do I want one in there or put one on the side of the house? But they have a built.
Cool that they have those controls and not do all that.
They have a built-in one down there.
Yeah, just this is a little one.
We could just put one in here, right?
Yeah, let's just do one.
Yeah, just one.
You guys have enough caulks?
What?
Hot.
You have enough?
Enough what?
Caulk.
Yes. Caulking? For caulking?
Caulking.
We got enough caulking.
You got enough. So I saw one over there on the box, so
No, we got a whole box of caulk, dude.
Want to make sure you have enough and it's long enough.
I'm like, what did you say? I'm like, did I hear this right?
Yeah, that's what I said too.
Well, guess that concludes this visit. Back to getting more debt.
Right? It's good there.
Yeah.
We don't drink a lot of water.
Alright, everybody, we're in Home Depot. I have a list of things that I need to get. Lights. Well, y'all saw me at the house. Lights, a bunch of stuff. My mind. I feel like Home Depot is like my second home. It's just all this money, man. I better make my money back. So let's look for that. You saw my work so far. Well, not just my work, but the help of everyone. So let me know in the comments what you think. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. And I'm gonna come back next week and hopefully, because it should be done by the end of this week, hopefully it is completed by next week. So I'll talk to you soon.